Hello. The problem, I think one of the first issues is the interest of young people in Brazil is declining in engineering. Only about 12% of students enroll in engineering programs. And considering that the consultancy in the engineering is very highly supported by a very highly skilled people and a flexible human capital. That's the problem. The problem for that, I believe, is the services of engineering is facing in Brazil a transformation into more a commodity than a very skilled and very important participation of the engineers. And the price also is pressing a lot the companies in Brazil. Some changes that we have in the legislation and about sustainability and other things like this are also a problem. Uh, but we have a lot of necessity of infrastructure in Brazil. So it's a conflict. We have the services of engineering being not so privatized, and we have more focus on the price of the services. Then we have pressure on the companies to have not the best people, but the people that is possible for the price for the project. That's these are, in my opinion, the main problems in Brazil. Instead, but we have then a tension because we have a strong structural demand for infrastructure, energy transition, also a lot of necessity of new technologies and uh, and uh, and the price are not always the correct price for those services. But we have a lot of projects done in Brazil, and these are, in my opinion, the problem with the difficulty to prepare the team for the new technologies, being AI, digital twins, machine learning. All these items are very need a lot of investment to prepare the team, and the price paid for the projects not always are correct to permit the companies to to prepare the team for and to be prepared to have those new technologies in the projects. These are, in my opinion, the main problems we have here. I think the main and the most important thing is to understand all these challenges and to improve the companies to make the people all together to have the same interest and making the engineering in Brazil the best one in the world. We have very good engineering services in Brazil, with a lot of experience and in hydraulic power and even in producing aircrafts and so. But then to be all together with all the companies that are providing this service in Brazil and to to challenge them to be the best one, I think is the best thing to lead the member association. I think in Brazil we are seeing a decline in the number of engineering graduates. Given the challenge I mentioned in the previous questions, there is a tension between the increasing responsibility and complexity of the work and a shortage of professionals. I believe the greatest challenge is convincing consulting firms that it is worthwhile to have their professionals take part in the seminars and training sections promoted by the Brazilian Association. Recently, I have been delivering a series of training sessions on FIDIC contracts since taking on the leadership of ABCI, with excellent support from FIDIC. And I'm very impressed that the idea to have these courses with the contracts of FIDIC, there's a lot of people in Brazil participating on this training that we are doing. And I believe to share with all the members of FIDIC their experience in Asia, Africa, Europe, US, everywhere in the world. It's very important to see the level of the service that we are providing in Brazil. And I think it's very, very interesting to participate on the congress and seminars of FIDIC. However, we regret not being able to have more Brazilian participants in FIDIC's committees despite the interest shown in Brazil. That's what I think. I think FIDIC is very, very important for all the member associations worldwide.